Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert a sticky note into your whiteboard presentations on Wrike. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to your space here in your Wrike account, click into your whiteboard presentation, and the sticky notes feature will be here at the very bottom. You will also use the shortcut N for that. Left click into it, choose one of these, or you may, for example, create a custom color by clicking into that plus button. Then choose the color here, the saturation, the lightness. You may also use a hex color code here, click into add, and position your your sticky note in your whiteboard presentation. Next, enter text here. That's it. You can customize your sticky note here. You can edit it, change the color, assign categories, labels, change the font style, use various text alignments, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how it works. If you'd like to move it, left click into it and position it here along your whiteboard presentation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.